Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch into a Samsung Galaxy A10. First of all, go into Settings and find Accessibility option, this one. Go into, and here we got Advanced Settings. And first option on the list in Advanced Settings, it's Power Key and Volume Up Key and Volume Up and Down Key. So first option for Quick Launch, Power Key and Volume Up, turn on, and here we got the same option, for example, accessibility, voice assistant, color inversion, color adjustment, and another option. For example, color inversion turn on for this combination, and volume up and down key. And here we got we can select service, for example, voice assistant, and or allow on and here we got this option for this combination option, allow on screen. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.